Welcome. In this video we are going to learn Hostapd wpe wireless attack tool in Linux. Hostapd wpe is a replacement of FreeRadius WPE. It implements IEEE 802.1x authenticator and authentication server impersonation attacks to obtain client credentials, establish connectivity to the client, and launch other attacks where applicable. Hostapd wpe supports the following EAP types for impersonation. First one, EAP fast MSCHAP v2, PEAP MSCHAP v2, EAP TTLS MSCHAP v2, and so on. Once impersonation is underway, Hostapd wpe will return an EAP success message so that the client believes they are connected to their legitimate authenticator. For 802.11 clients, Hostapd wpe also implements Karma-style gratuitous probe response. Inspiration for this was provided by Jomogon's patch for older version of Hostapd. Let's open up terminal and type apt install host-wpe. Here I already installed Hostapd wpe tool. Let's open up terminal. Now kill network manager using eromon-ng. Type eromon-ng, check, kill. Let's start Hostapd wpe. A wireless access point will appear. Passwords of users connecting and authenticating to this network will be printed to the console. Type Hostapd wpe, etc hostapd wpe, hostapd-wpe.conf. Here you can see that N180211 the in8 f name equals to line 0, disabled 11b underscore rates is equal to 0, line 0 interface state is uninitialized, stabled. Once a challenge and response are obtained, then crack them using a sleep together with the password dictionary file. That is type zcat user share word list docu.txt.gz or asleep-c 8e 0e 9d and so on, then -r, then 34f8 and complete that id, then -w. Here you can see that using stdin for words, hash bytes 586c, anti-hash 8846f7, EAEE8FB, and so on. Password is password. So that's it in this video on Hostapd wpe wireless attack tool in Linux. Thank you for watching this video.